Waiting in the shadow of a busted black obelisk carved with encrypted prime number sequences plotting zeros along a critical line of alien zeta function was TDS. The field equation G infinite equal 8 prime G divided by C4T adorned the chiaroscuro base. Some kind of error had crept into the equation. The Einstein tensor described the curvature of space. I think it's the statistical entanglement of quantum and mass that makes space-time appear to curve. That is, it is like Newton's gravitational equations, an analogy describing an appearance rather than the actual causal essence of gravity. For a solution to that mystery, there is a great distance yet to travel. I thought about the four-dimensional edges of the Earth and its inner ties with quantum uncertainty and entangling probability waves. Living on non-Riemannian geometric solids consolidated by gravity, it is the distraction of experience of existence generally that makes up relativistic space-time curves within curves. The center of the universe is anywhere one happens to be. It's an equal opportunity paradigm for relativistic space-time encompassed by nowhere. Nowhere in Thomas More's sense of the word meaning utopia. An empty space where things such as phenomenal mass, energy, and city streets paved with gold sets me to wonder why humankind so often pursues power blind to the infinite range of potential values besides political oppression and owning of surplus deterministic structures. We'd surveyed several elliptical galaxies in the effort to quantify life forms and found that space-time structures in 4 dimensions comprise aggregate concentrations with gravity absent of designer structuring of rose edges and crenellated space-time. That wasn't the case with extra dimensions present. Evidence exists anecdotally of extra-dimensional hyper-black holes that warp space-time in fewer or greater dimensions than those of the common universe 1. Those hyper-black holes could be made to extrude into and reshape the space-time sections of universe 1 anomalously. Nowhere is everywhere beyond the boundary of experience when the nomos, the lawful extent of creation, is someplace stitched together in an autonomous governing of social reason, a theonomous transcendence toward the unconditional unity of being as a phenomenality of immanent awareness anyone might realize. The power of planetary reconstruction pales in significance compared to the juxtaposition of space-time parsecs without clearly defined borders. Reconstructing ecospheres are all I can work on meaningfully. Besides matters of spirit for themselves, I suddenly downloaded through a rent in space-time away from the barren world without a breath of notice.